Welcome you all for our social studies online class. Dear student, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is Great National Leaders. Our national leaders who fought the British for our independence. India was under the British administrative rule from 1858 to 1947. India became a free nation on the midnight of 15th August 1947. India is a land of great political leaders who ruled the country effectively and also by protecting its national interest. It was not an easy task to accomplish, keeping in view the changes taking place in the world political scene. Leaders like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi played an indispensable role in changing the perspective of world towards India. Now, firstly, we'll start from Mahatma Gandhi, or we all called him Bapu. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born in Gujarat on 2nd of October 1869. After studying law, he became a barrister. His method of struggle was called as Satyagraha. Gandhiji practiced non-violence, it means ahimsa. India became independent on 15th August 1947 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is rightly called the father of the nation. Message of peace, truth, and non-violence has inspired people both in India and the world also. We celebrate 2nd October, the birthday of Gandhi, as Gandhi Jayanti, and we having holiday on 2nd of October. Prayers are offered at his samadhi at Rajghat. Devotional songs, including his favorite song, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, are sung on this day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November in Allahabad. His father, Motilal Nehru, was involved in the freedom movement. Nehru too joined the freedom movement and became one of the leading freedom fighters. He was a member of the Congress party that led the freedom movement against British Empire. Nehru was one of the architects who had the opportunity to steer the newly freed nation. He was also the chief framer of domestic and international policies between 1947 and 1964. Nehru was deeply inspired by Gandhiji. Now, our next leader, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born 23rd of July 1856. He died on 1st of August 1920. He was known as Lokmanya. He raised the slogan, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." He founded and edited Kesari, a Marathi newspaper. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the great social leaders of India. He played a crucial role during the freedom struggle of India and was instrumental in the integration of over 500 princely states into the Indian Union. Despite the choice of the people on the request of Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel stepped down from the candidacy of Congress president. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was popularly known as the Iron Man of India, and he was independent India's first deputy prime minister. He came from a humble background and became one of the greatest leaders of our country. He earned the title Sardar because of the support he gave to the farmers when the British threatened to take over their land. Dear student, now our next point. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose born on 23rd of January 1897 in Odisha. He became president of the Indian National Congress in 1938 and 1939. He raised the Azad Hind Fauj or the Indian National Army to free India from British rule. He gave the popular slogan Jai Hind. He was called as Netaji as a mark of respect. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar or Baba Saheb, as he was popularly called, was the chairman of the committee that drafted the Constitution of India. He was born on 14th of April 1891 at Madhya Pradesh and died on 6th of December 1956. He was the first Minister of Law and Justice. He was principal architect of the Constitution of India. His time, social evils such as untouchability and other caste discrimination were prevalent. In school, all the children of low caste had to sit separately and were barely given any attention by the teachers. He too had to face discrimination as he belonged caste that was considered as an untouchable caste. Dr. Ambedkar fought against all the social evils. He also worked for the upliftment of the backward communities. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar became independent India's first law minister. He is a source of inspiration for all of us, and he is an example of how a person can overcome difficult situation to become a great leader.